Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 17 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which land animal is the fastest in the world? The antelope, the tiger, the cheetah, the lion. Which one sleeps the most in a day? Koala, sloth, panda, tiger. How many hearts do octopuses have? 4, 3, 2, 1. Which animal is nicknamed as the killer whale? Orca, sperm whale, humpback whale, blue whale. How long is a giraffe's tongue? 12 inches, 20 inches, 15 inches, 4 inches. How many legs do spiders have? 6, 8, 10, 12. Which insect can lift 60 times its weight? The ladybug, the ant, the beetle, the fly. How much does an elephant weigh on average at birth? 200 pounds, 100 pounds, 50 pounds, 150 pounds. What is the largest primate? The orangutan, the gorilla, the chimpanzee, the monkey. What color are pandas at birth? Black, pink, white, yellow. Which is the heaviest land animal in the world? The elephant, the hippopotamus, the rhinoceros, the giraffe. What is the largest feline in the world? The lion, the tiger, the leopard, the deer. Which sense is not well developed in rhinoceros? Hearing, smell, sight, Taste. What type of respiration do frogs use underwater? Gills, skin, lungs, nose. Which bird cannot fly? The pelican, the eagle, the ostrich, the crow. Which mammal has the thickest fur? The dog, the sea otter, the polar bear, the panda. What is the maximum speed an ostrich can reach? 23 miles per hour, 43 miles per hour, 63 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.